We are looking at about 3,500 participants in the timed events, that is 42, 21 and 10 kilometers. This number is about 10% increase from the last year's numbers. We are looking at about 2,500 in the 5 kilometers category, because that is where, if you look at the film just now, we are trying to focus on the 5 kilometers. It's been a nice journey so far. We don't believe ourselves when we all Vasco Sports Club members sit together. We say 10 years have actually gone so quickly. We believe that we have the strength to do another 10 more marathons, 10 more years editions of marathons, so probably we will all be there. The support of the press has always been there for the last 10 years, 9 years, 10th year of course. And we once again look forward to seeing all of you all for the event on the 17th of November. This is at the Chicalim grounds.
We have 2,800 registrations as of now. So, we also want a lot more participation from families. We would like parents to come along with their children. The 5K is a lot more fun this time. You will have a lot more things to do, and please come and enjoy our hospitality. 21 states, that's almost 2/3 of India, is represented at GRM. We have participation from 12 different countries, and of course the Kenyans and the Ethiopians, they always come in last moment, and I'm sure we'll have a huge international contingent, and we will also see a lot of competition in the GRM.